Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x80070005. So if you are receiving this error code when you try to update your Windows 10 to Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now go to Update and Security and then click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Additional Troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update, then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update to Windows 11. And you should not receive that error message anymore. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, you can go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to a Microsoft website. Scroll down here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10. You can run this script in Windows 11 as well. So click on download and this will go ahead and download the zip file. So go ahead and click on show in folder, go to the download location, make a right click on the zip file and then click on extract the file and then open this folder and then open this folder and then run this wureset.bat file. Make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, then press any key on the keyboard to continue. First of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update components and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows Update services. So this process will take some time, so it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. So just wait for this process to complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services now. And at the end it says press any key to continue. So you can go ahead and press any key on the keyboard. This will go ahead and close this command prompt. And now you can go ahead and try to update Windows 11 and you should not receive that error message. Now the next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command and then type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. And once this process is complete successfully, you can go ahead and close this window. Now go to the Windows 10 settings and then you can go ahead and click on update and security and then click on check for update and you should be able to install Windows 11 without any issue. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands now. For this, go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. So make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Run this second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and then let the scan complete. Now this process may take some time. So once this is 100% complete, you go ahead and run the second command. And once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update to Windows 11. Now the next step is to run Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. So go ahead and download this tool. Click on download now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And if there is any pending update, it will let you know. And there you will see the option to install Windows 11. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and use media creation tool to update to Windows 11. Now you can go to this link. This is the same link. It will take you to the same website. Scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. So you can go ahead and click on download tool now. And once the download is complete, you go ahead and run this exe file. Once you run this exe file, you will go ahead and see this screen. So click on accept and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. So click on next and then select ISO file. You have to go ahead and select ISO file and then click on next and then you can save it to desktop and then click on save. Now once the setup is complete, you can go to the desktop and open this Windows ISO file, make a double click and then you have to go ahead and run this setup.exe file, make a double click, click on yes to allow and then it will go ahead and load media creation tool and it will go ahead and update your Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now proceed, you can go ahead and click on next and let the process complete. Now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation you simply have to log in, and your Windows 10 should be updated to Windows 11, and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.